Hello there. I wasn't too happy with my other video and I was trying to recreate it, but honestly, going through and trying to match up the wordings perfectly and everything just became way too robotic, and I really don't want my recordings to become that way. So I figured I would just remake it and post them both. This one showing a lot of the features. Basically, there's been a lot of small fixes because I wanted to stabilize what I have before I added more features. And there was originally a bug with resizing the window, and if you went too far in, the mouse would go crazy and it would whatever, but I ended up just removing it and putting a nice cap. Also, if you click any of these, the tab is selected, so I normally try to resize here. I might, as another nice fix, is if you're clicking within this area to move the tab, it doesn't select these. But basically, the notebook and page windows have been kind of confined into as small and big as they can go. Another thing is that this pretty much saves whatever you select. Like, obviously I just selected that. If I close it, reopen it, it's gonna save it. And then if I was to come into here and, I don't know, select this and close it, it's going to save the exact preferences, which in my opinion is very nice. And these are the previous pages. Also, there is reordering of the notebooks. You can also reorder the sections, and the same thing with the pages, which of course I like the order they're in because they are in the order from newest to oldest. Well, they used to be. I'll have to fix that later. But basically, highlighting, whenever you would resize or move your window, highlighting would get into the way, and that was visually annoying. So I made it to where when you're resizing the window or moving it around, the text does not highlight or even allow to move. Another thing too is the arrow keys are normally used to move around the text, but now if you grab it, you can use the arrow keys to move the text box back and forth, and the same thing goes with the images to help you place your resources more accurately on the page, which is how I got all this stuff placed. And well, I mean, I guess I technically didn't have that feature till now, so I've just been dragging them in, but you know, you might get something to where it needs to be extra precise, especially when you're getting down to this tiny crap. But let's see. Oh yeah, also pages are deleted, which I showed you in the last video, so I won't really go into that. And overall, it opens and closes really fast. I like that. Obviously, resizing your windows saves. Just everything you change in here will save. The only thing that really doesn't save is if I was to change the size and close. Heck, even like, well, if I can get in here. Oh, I gotta select a page. Should just make it auto select. But you know, just shove that crap in there, close it, reopen it. Oh wow. But just a quick review. Basically, notebook element titles won't go past their tabs anymore. Page resizing has been capped. Text highlighting no longer happens when you are dragging and resizing the text box windows. Image resources and text resources are movable by arrow keys, and basically, I wonder if that's been implemented. No. Okay, well, it's claiming that you can hold down the arrow key to move around the text, but that is not the case. But I will have that before the next post, and pages can be deleted, but that's pretty much everything.